Hey everyone, Philip here with Arcane Detailing. Question that we get asked quite often: how long will my ceramic coating last? That's really dependent upon you. Easiest way to put that: a ceramic coating that's rated for 5 years. If you leave your shop, leave the detailer's shop that applied that coating, and in a week you're running it through the brush tunnel washes, something like that. That's going to greatly reduce the level of, or the length of protection that you have. Using things like drive-through tunnel washes all the time, getting that stuff build up on the surface, never hand washing it, things like that, that is going to degrade the amount of time that your coating will last. Even just leaving it outside, leaving bird poop, tree sap, things like that on the surface and not wiping it off as quickly as possible, safely removing that contamination will over time break down the coating. So even if it's a 5-year coating, if you're not properly maintaining that coating, you're allowing things to just kind of sit on the surface, that's going to greatly shorten the life of that coating. A professional high-end coating like that's on this vehicle behind us, if we were to leave it just outside, never wash it, never apply any type of sealant to it over time or anything like that, you could expect the coating to fail within a couple years. So it's important to make sure that you're maintaining it properly. Your detailer should give you advice on how to maintain that. Don't be afraid to ask questions. They should be able to give you a list of products. They should even be carrying some of them in their shop location for you to purchase at the time that you get your vehicle coated. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions to make sure that you get the absolute most value out of that coating that you had applied to your vehicle. So, like I said, you should be washing your vehicle every 2 weeks or every 650, 700 miles at minimum. Reason for that is after that time, that's when stuff starts to break down, if something sat on the surface that long. So you want to try to make sure you stay in that wash cycle of every couple weeks or every 650 miles. If it's garage kept and you only drive 100 miles a week, you'd be safe to wash it once a month. But if it's sitting outside or winter driving, things like that, you should be washing it more often. So that's how long you should expect your coating to last. Like I said, it really all falls down on you with the amount of maintenance and care that you put into that coating. It's not a have it applied and forget about it type of thing. It's got to be maintained on a regular basis. So, all right, you guys take care. We'll see you around.